minutes later, the real host for the night, the one, the only, Engineer Joven Cabral.
Hello! How are you? Are you how? Good evening everybody. Welcome to the 4th year Jubilee Celebration recording Ruby Jubilee. No? Welcome to Lake Cebu, to Punta Isla. Okay? So wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan? Utak, mga binuka! Okay, it's been fun. It was like 40 years ago when we were together. And now, here again, in another stage. Okay? And it's gonna be in Mindanao. Ano ko kayo mga Ilonggo, yung mga tao, makinig kayo Mindanao ba? Okay? So isipin natin na sila sa Jakarta that we are 1,000 times what we are here. And we would like also to welcome all the friends, of course, identified people of Municipality of Lake Cebu in the leadership, under the leadership of the Mayor, Ken Pungan, wala ba siya? And of course, my best friend, BFF, Father Mendita Ernesto. Thank you, Father, for being with us tonight. And of course, our band is still setting up. And, okay, anyway. So, bakit kailangan tayo mag-celebrate after 40 years? Because, according to many, di ba, life begins at 40. Mga palakpak! So, mga infant pa rin tayo. Okay. After 40 years, dumatayo ka ba ang Pilipinas? Yan ang gusto mo. Ano sabi mo? Ano? What's it up? It's a real mutilation. After 40 years, dumatayo ka ba ang Pilipinas?
Of course!
Ikaw naman, Reyna. Tapos sinulan niya sa batay na only in your dreams. Okay. So, Ben, are you ready? Huh? O sige ka. So, while waiting for them, we were to follow some sequence in the program. So, we're gonna start with the band introduction. So, welcome them, Walking J Band! Okay. Back una sila nga, bote siyempre Walking J Band. Na J-walking, sila yung dakop, sila yung sa Jensan. Pag-abot ni siyempre Walking J, nagalakat lang. Alin dito sa may, ganun sa plaza, guro, no? Layo mo dahil pa sa Marbel, no? Okay. So, we can set it up here and double time or whatever. Tapos, gusto naman pasalamatan, okay? This comes into reality by the first joke, right? So, kami, last year, 39th anniversary, di ba? Tapos sa West Iligan, hoping pacing mathematics, sabi ko, di ba 39, dapat may 40? So kung 40 next year, ano kita? Ruby, okay. Tapos ito sa joke, kumakain nila sabi na, okay, we can have that by next year. Pero ang mali generally niya, okay, so pinangga dapat, sa iba naman talaga, buring-buring, yung nililo yan. Okay, at sa Mindanao, okay. Kung sa Mindanao, batuhan nyo, no? Ang una ng sabat, di mo, Apple, anong sabat sa Mindanao? Apple? Ano sabat mo? Ano tagamin na okay mo? Okay mo approve. Wow! Palakpakan natin si Apple! Very instrumental with this. Palagi sa mic na lang ang boses ko. Tapos ang mga sabi, it follows. And there's been like a slight problem, like we're gonna ask them, who's gonna go after January 31 and 30? It was like the grand reunion, the 62nd of WIP. Oh, nila, ito, hindi ko ba ako naman ako lang yung show. Until March sa lang. At na silang isang and they opted to answer me in a group chat na madayon nila. So palakpakan natin mga sarili because I only have to wait like 5 or 10. Pero man kung isa ng 5 na rin sa ulan na yun nung nagiliya. O diba? Hindi nyo ubos ang lipson mo. Sabi mo, boss. Okay. So, are you hanging up? Okay ba? Okay pa? So, proceed na nila sa welcome remarks. Ay, ako magaling. Palakpak! Congrats, wala kang manalo. Joke lang. So it's the same thing that they're trying to welcome you all. Ang una ko din actually, kung nababalik ko sa Mexico, it feels like I was in Taiwan before, no? In the one portion of Taiwan sa Cultural Taipei University, it looks like this, kalamig siya lang, medyo taklaron. Then sabi ko, nakakali dito sa Taiwan, sa Pilipinas, pakakita ko yung lugar, balikan ko. Then I landed in Lake Cebu. May mga parente kami rin. Okay? Sa Nurala, kay ang pamilya sa tatay ko. So una ko nung may vice mayor sa Pulo-Pulo, abot sino na, parente namin ko no. Bali daw, third to second kasi ng apoy ko daw. Anyway. So, palakpakan nyo, let's welcome also the people coming from different places, okay? Starting off with Luzon. Sino ang alin sa Luzon? Representative of Box 86 coming from Luzon, please stand up! Yay! Okay. Ma'am Lily Travinia, okay? She's very Italian, right? Viano? Oo. All the way from Makati ba? Makati, okay. Makati, Manila. Makati, okay. Then, all the way from Visayas, Timbo! Ayan, with her wife. Wife. Okay. With her lovely wife, no? And of course, the host from Mindanao! Yay! Okay, so they're coming from Davao, ano yan? Lake Cebu, Coronadal, Isulan, Iligan. Oh, Davao. Oh. Yung kaya lang kung sabi mga binastos ng inyo, mga ano din, no? Mga iligan, mo gusto na, no? Davao. Okay, anyway. So tapos, may mga friends sila din, nga daw dito maging kilala. Other from father, sino ba rin nabisita ba rin na? Wait, si Mayor White. Is he coming? Ha? Napulit siya? Nasunggot? Ha? Sa sunod yung eleksyon, balik man siya po. Ay, now, in behalf of the 1/2 is 1/4. Okay. So then, let's move on. We're going to have an opening message coming from the Vice President by appointment, Engineer Noel Lozada.
Pasensya ako, madali lang ko kayo naanak ka sa kubigo. Anyway, before anything else, palakpakan ka nga itong classmate na nagpatigayon, nag-convey sining okasyon. Unagid ang aton nga very talented human, Engineer Momo Cablas. Also, Engineer Lana Esmeralda Soliesta. Kag ang aton din ang pinanser, no? Si Engineer Apple, Rapakinaw, si Engineer Nonoy, si Engineer Barakia Noel, si Engineer Joel Doronyo. Abi palakpakan mundo. So, to our honored guest, Reverend Father Ernesto Benedita. Sir, Father, basit may gusto na mag-umpisa after sa aktong event. Si Father Aralan, no? Sa likod dito, storya kay Father. Dear classmates, spouses, families, and friends, good evening. Tonight is more than just a gathering. It is a celebration of friendship, shared memories, and the enduring bond that has stood strong through the passing of time. It has been decades since we first walked the hall of Western Institute of Technology, carrying discourse, solving equations, surviving exams, maski tres lang nga Father, exempted kami na. Very proud kami na makakuha kami tres during the time. Mapahambog namon sa among mga boardmate nga exempted kami sa final. Basta makabayad ka ng tuition mo, di pala. Luwas ni sa mga maalam namon nga mga classmate like kay Engineer Mike, kay mga SPP. Kaya sila, si Engineer Abel. So kinanglan di sila mag-4-3, kinanglan nga 2.5 or 2.75. So muna namon nga lives. And dreaming of the future, we now proudly look back upon. As a civil engineers, we dedicated our lives to building structures that stand firm against time. Yet, perhaps, our greatest achievement is the foundation of friendship and camaraderie we built together as Bats 86, a foundation that remains solid after these years. Tonight, we connect not only as professionals, but as classmates who come shared laughter, struggles, ambitions, and unforgettable moments of youth. Some of us traveled far,